Hello friends, today we will try to reproduce the issue, that is control D error, that come usually after patching activity in production environment. To reproduce the issue, I have to do first few steps, and after that we will go to our main point, the control D error. For this I am adding one new hard drive so that we can recreate that issue. And you just need to think in your mind that it is happening in production environment. I am giving 1 GB disk and OK. And I have taken the putty session of this VM. If you see the lsblk command, I can see my new disk is here, SDB. So I will show you many things in this issue, that how to create a LVM and how to fix the control D error that usually come after patching. So we are going step by step. Okay. We are going to create first one LVM. A partition is created. We have to give the type here. You can press the L key to see what are the types available. If you can see here, Linux, for Linux it is 83, for LVM it is 8E. So I am going to give here 8E. You can give in small as well, no problem. I have given 80. Now it has changes to Linux LVM. Okay, now I am saving. Now performing the changes. Before this, how do I know that I need to do on dev sdb1? So we need to run the command fdisk-l. See, device is created on sdb1 and it is Linux LVM, size is 1023 MB. Okay, we will do it. Device is created. Now let's create one PV. Physical volume created. Now we will create VG. VG is also created. Now we will create LV. I am giving here size 900 MB because it is not going to utilize all the 1023 MB size. It required some of the space for its configuration. So that's why I'm giving here 900 MB. Icon in dev VG1, and we are going to create LV with LV1. LV is created. Now we will create one directory so that we can mount it. I am creating with LVM1. Oh, it's already exist. Okay, good. Now we need to format the file system. So I am going to format with XFS. Okay, file system is formatted with XFS format. Now I am going to mount it. I have mounted it because I have created the LVM directory earlier. So here nothing, no file is there. Let me copy some file here. I am putting dot here. Dot means copy the files to my current location. Copied. Now we have etc folder inside this directory. So till here we are just trying to recreate the issue that we are going to fix. Okay, on CD. If you see df-h, see we have created one VG that is now 894 MB in size, 8% utilize. We need to make this permanent in etcfs tab file. Where it is mounted, LVM1 XFS defaults. Okay, now I am saving it. Oh, all part done. Now we are going to recreate the issue. So first of all, for that we have to mount the LVM1. Okay, you mounted. Now I'm going to remove LV. It's saying, do you want to remove? Yes. I remove LV and I have left etc fstep file as it is without editing it. Now let me reboot it. So we will reboot from here so that we don't have to go to the putty session again. Okay. LSBLK, df-h and reboot. Now we will see what it will do in background. So usually control D error come due to the file system issue after patching activity, or there is a large file systems that are not able to process themselves due to its huge size in required time. So if you want to see what is happening in background, just press down arrow key. You will see currently it is booting the bootloader. All error you need to read here carefully, and you can see here it is giving error that LVM bg change -ai, and it found the error. Now it is reading that it is not able to find that file system because we remove the LV. So in background, when system reload, it run and find fstep files, what are the file systems was available here, and whatever is missing, it will stop there and try to check the job if it is whether able to find out the file system or not. So it will try for 1 minute 30 seconds. If it is not able to find the file system, then it will go to control D mode. So let's wait for a few more seconds. Okay, now it is giving error. See, system has come to control D mode. So breaking the root password, I already uploaded the video and you might have seen it. So I'm not going to tell again how to break the root password. For here, consider you already have the root password. I am giving that root password. Okay. Now I come to the shell prompt. One thing we need to do is we have to given read write access to root so that we can edit the fstep file which was creating the error. So we will go to the fstep file, and here we are going to comment the affected file system. So issue was coming due to this file system. You might have read the logs already. I'm going to comment it and save the file. Save it. Okay, I save the file. Now I'm going to reboot the server again. Super fast. Reboot -f. Now let's load the kernel, see what it is doing in background. Our server should be come up now. And it should not be stuck anywhere because we have commented the affected file system. Okay, server is come online, not listed. I'm going as root. So I'm trying to show multiple things inside one video. First we created LV, we mounted the file system, and then we try to recreate the issue of control D error. We try to fix the control D issue, and now we will try to recover the LV as well. Till let me see what is its IP. Okay, I usually prefer to work on putty not inside this VM because it has very small screen, but no problem, you can try that here as well. Let me make it a little big. Okay, making the size a little big. Okay, so see, device is there. HDB1 device that we created is there, but our issue is not resolved yet because that LVM is missing, and because we removed the LV, we are not able to find, and our data is gone. We are not able to find that file system LVM1. If you see here, df-h, we are not able to see that file system. So how to recover it? So what we need to do, we need to check with VG name. because our VG name was VG1. So there is no command in Linux that we need to restore LV by LVCFG restore. We have to do it by finding the VG. So VGCFG restore -L for listing. Now it has listed. Let me make the font size is too big. Okay. Now see, this LV remove command was run on VG1 at this time, but we need the output before the LV remove command because we wanted to restore the state of the file system where LV remove command was not run. So this is the file. This is the file till VG1. Sorry, till VG here. This is the VG. Till here, it is telling us that LV remove command was not run. Before that, we have this archive available. Now we need to run VG. Okay, let me copy it till VG. Run command VGCFG restore -F. Then we need to give the VG, copy, paste, and we have to give the VG name here, which was VG1. Okay, it has restored the VG now. And now let me make a little bit big again. See VGS. So we have VG1 now and we will check the LVS. So currently our LV is not active, neither it is online, but our VG1 is there. So how we can make it active and online? For that we have to run command lv change -ay dev VG1 LV1. Okay, I run the command. Now check the LVS again. It is active. Still it is not online. Check the VGS. Okay. How to make it online now? We have to mount dev VG1 LV1 to LV. Okay, we have mounted the file system. Now check inside that LVM. If file is present, so we have successfully recovered the LVM. One more thing left. Now we need to do fs tab and we have to uncomment it again because it was uncommented earlier. Now we have done all the steps. Now we will try to reboot the server again and we'll see if it is stuck in there again or not. It is always good to press down arrow key so that we can get to know what are the processes currently it is running in background. Okay, system is online now. So here it is done. We have successfully fixed the control D error issue as well as we have recovered the LV. So in production environment, you might not face this issue of recovering LV because we recreated the issue that how we can fix this kind of control D errors. But in production environment, it usually gets stuck due to large file system size where it is not able to scan it within required time, or due to NFS file system or any file system that was removed but has not been commented inside fs tab. So usually control D error come only due to file system issues or LVM related issues. So thank you for watching. This is it for today. Hope you will learn from it.